Unlocking everyday English. Replace the battery. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical phrase you'll often encounter in daily life, especially if you're using any kind of electronic device. We're going to explore what it means to replace the battery. This phrase is not only common but also incredibly useful to understand thoroughly, whether you're an English language learner or just brushing up on practical English usage. Let's get started. Replace the battery is a straightforward instruction that you might see in manuals, hear from technicians, or even get as a suggestion when your electronic device isn't working properly. To replace means to take something out and put something new in its place. A battery is a source of power for devices, from your remote control to your car. So, when you're told to replace the battery, you're being asked to remove the old battery and insert a new one to ensure your device has the power it needs to operate. You might wonder, how do you know when it's time to replace the battery? There are a few signs. The device won't turn on, the most obvious indicator that it's time for a new battery. Poor performance. If your device is slower than usual or can't hold a charge, the battery might be the culprit. Warning messages. Some devices have built-in indicators or messages that alert you when the battery is low or needs replacing. Physical swelling or leakage. This is a clear sign that the battery is failing and should be replaced immediately to avoid damage to the device. Replacing a battery can vary from device to device, but here are some general steps. 1. Ensure the device is off and, if possible, disconnected from any power source. 2. Locate the battery compartment. This might be on the back of the device, under a cover, or inside the device for more complex items like smartphones or laptops. 3. Remove the old battery. Take it out carefully, noting the orientation, which side is plus and which is. 4. Insert the new battery, make sure it's the correct size and type, and place it in the same orientation as the old one. 5. Close the compartment and, if applicable, screw any covers back in place. 6. Test the device to ensure the new battery is working properly. Understanding and being able to replace the battery is a small but significant step in mastering everyday English, especially in our technology-driven world. We hope this video has illuminated the process for you and that you feel more confident handling such a task in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to apply what you've learned today. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.